Very effective, no? Like, kapag ganun ginagawa mo. Nice, nice. Mm-mm. Parang yung liquidity sweep, ganun. Di ba? Oo. Oh. Mm-mm. Sige, gold tayo. Then, tapos, sir. Mm. Risk management is the most important, no? Oo. Like, ilang years ka nga sa barko, sir? Tagal pala, no? Chief engineer ka, sir? Or captain? Chief engineer ka ng 20 years. So, nag-retire ka na ngayon. Ah. Tapos ko, pag by December, hindi ka na bumalik. Ah, good. Ah. Tapos, anong company ka nga nun, sir? Yung sa dati mo. Anong company ka nun? OV ship. Mm. Anong business mo ngayon, sir? Like, after pagkatapos mo ng retirement ng barko? Ah, madami kang apartment ngayon. Maganda pala, no? Taga Bohol. Bago lang ako pumunta ng Bohol nung Holy Week yata. Nakita mo yan? Sa Father's Day. Ah, very good yung US 30 pero sa Nasdaq na ko. So US 100 na. Oo, pero I'll show you gold. Oo. So, do you want me to start teaching na po, sir? Or I trade every I trade gold, but I usually trade Nasdaq in gold and USD JPY na lang. Yung tatlo na lang, usually. Oo. Mm-mm. Parang swing type yung ginagawa mo ngayon. Ah, di ba? Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Goods lang pala. Okay naman yung 1 is to 2. That is actually very well type of way of trading, to be honest lang talaga. Like 1 is to 2 is very nice. sir? Mm. Mm-mm. Anong account size mo pala ngayon, sir? Anong account size mo ngayon? Like, 1,000 USD. Tapos, pero ilan yung mga profit mo usually nun? Ilang taon ka na nga ngayon, sir? 40. Kailan ka naging shift engineer, sir? At what age? Ang bata mo, no? Naging... Ang ganda pala, no? Mas mas madali makapag-retire, no? 12,000 dollar yung trade mo dati. Tapos ngayon, sir, ba't mo binaba? Hmm. Malaki pala din loss, no? Nun. Mm-mm. It's about like... I feel like hindi siya pagandahan ng strat. I think it's like about how you execute trades talaga. To be honest lang. No? Oo. Meron talaga. Like, I agree with that. Oo. Meron din strat na mahirap pero, it doesn't work naman. Meron nga, very easy pero it actually works very well. Di ba? Mm-mm. 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 Yes. Mm-mm. Ah, dapat on trend kasi parang ang hirap kay gold no trade, no? Like, if you, to be honest lang talaga, like, the way you need to trade gold, it's, you need, mm-mm. Do you want me to show you, sir? Like, ngayon? Like, paano? O, ang dali, no? Kaysa dun tayo sa, like, the one that's hard. Dun na lang tayo sa mas madali, di ba? Kasi why make our life harder when there's an easy way in making it, di ba? So, I'll show you ngayon, sir, if you want. Wait. Mm-mm. Yung pinaka-simple lang, Ha? Hindi, okay lang naman. Are you watching my stream currently? Nagsiset talaga ako ng by time. Pero, ngayon, very simple actually yung strat na lang for entry and for bias. Diba? Kasi like, na-realize ko kasi like after years of doing it, like parang ang hirap ng iba tapos it actually doesn't work very well for all people. So like if you actually want like trading to be very profitable for everyone, then it needs to be very easy to understand, tapos it can work at any time frame and any asset, di ba? Kasi yung na-notice ko kasi like especially with, let's not put any time frame ngayon, let's not put any time frame. Okay, example lang, walang time frame. Okay, malalaman mo ba anong time frame yan? Hindi, 'di ba? Kasi may question ako dun sa GC dati, if you're, 'di ba? Hindi talaga, 'di ba? So, how can support in like your strategy will work if you need a lot of checking, 'di ba? Kasi to be honest, like if you go back to the traditional way of trading, there's no time frame. It's just candlesticks, 'di ba? Walang time frame, you're just being shown one candlesticks na ganun, tapos you just need to work it out on your own. So, yung dapat gawin siguro is like having a strategy that works at any time frame and at any asset. Tapos that's what you call like a strategy talaga, 'di ba? So that is what like I usually found ngayon. It can work actually at any asset at any time frame. You just need like to be, managing the risk talaga. Kasi it's not perfect naman, pero it's usually 70% panalo, 70%. Pero it's not perfect, okay? Like nothing is perfect naman kasi there's news, 'di ba? So, mm, sa risk reward ratio, 'di ba? Oo, like just let it run, 'di ba? Mm. Yes, I agree. Mas lamang din panalo if you just let it run, 'di ba? Just like don't care about it. Hindi, it's actually like I use different time frames for this, pero it's actually very simple in the way I trade. Do you want me to show you na ngayon? I can actually show you ngayon. Okay. What we are looking for, sir, is a sweep. So, example, dapat previous candle ito. Let's just imagine this is the bearish one, di ba? Bearish to, di ba? Bearish, 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 bearish. Kita mo? So, tapos, ito yung, oh, ba't na green? Bullish. Ito. So, what we are looking for is yung bullish niya maging ganito lang. It's just you just need a sweep. Just a sweep lang talaga. Just a sweep. Ito. Sweep ng candle. So makikita mo at any time frame. At any time frame at any ito kita mo. Tingnan mo. Anong ginawa niya dito na part? Nag-sweep siya, 'di ba? No. May sweep siya dito. If nag-sweep siya, you should anticipate the next candle to be bullish. So, anong ginawa ng next candle? Bullish siya. So, dun ka na mag-enter. So, it's very simple and it works very well. Even now, you can backtest it. Like, you put at the low, tapos 1:2 siguro, depende sa'yo. Tingnan mo, magtitipi talaga siya. Like, it's not a joke and like, the way you trade it, tignan mo. Diba? Nagtipi siya. It can work at any time frame. It's just you need an opposite candle before yung sweep. So, let's try. Yung maganda dito, you can actually use it 4 hours. 4 hours for bias. Tapos, punta ng lower time frame for confirmation. You will get what I mean, sir. Wait, I'll show you. I mean like for entry. So, you can get it from the higher time frame pa din yung bias. Tapos, you can go in the lower for entry. So, what I mean is ganito, sir. Kita mo, nag-sweep siya, di ba? Dito. I'll show you. Circle. Dito, kita mo nag-sweep siya. Dito, di ba? No. Kapag nag-sweep siya, sir, you should anticipate the next candle. You should anticipate the next candle to be bearish. So, anong ginawa ng next candle? Bearish. Di ba? See? So, it's just actually very simple. It's just, you're just following the trend basically. Di ba? So, same with this. Anong ginawa niya dito? Nag-sweep siya, di ba? No. Kapag nag-sweep siya, you should anticipate the next candle to be bullish. So, anong ginawa ng next candle? Bullish, di ba? So, you should wait an opposite muna before trading it. So, parang ganito siya. Wait, I'll show you. Dapat opposite muna. Ito, kita mo? That's red, di ba? That's bearish, no? So, you should wait for an opposite muna for it to be red. Tapos nag-green. Tapos, ganun yung value dapat. So, vice versa with the bearish one. Tingnan mo dito. Nag-sell din siya, di ba? Boom, boom. Bumaba siya. Nag-sweep. Ito. Nag-sweep siya. Tingnan mo. Nag-sweep siya, di ba? No. So, kapag nag-sweep siya, you should anticipate the next candle to be bearish. So, it's very easy way to trade the trend. So, it can work at any time frame, sir. Wait. Tingnan mo. Ito, 5 minutes. Kita mo, sir? 5 minutes. So, the second candle will always, usually, it's not always, so usually will follow the first. So, example, ganito. Nag-follow siya ng first, di ba? Kita mo? Boom. Second, bang, bang. Di ba? See? Tignan mo. Follow niya yung first. Kapag may sweep siya, usually hindi perfect naman. Yes, after the sweep. Tapos, usually the next candle, example, 310. Tignan mo ano next candle niya. Bullish, di ba? Kasi it's usually will follow the sweep. Ito, SL ka dito if you're following like the sell. Kasi may sweep siya dito, di ba? No, SL ka dito. That's why I told you it's not perfect. Pero, the higher the chance, mas mataas pa rin yung chance na ma-TP ka. Kasi tignan mo, may sweep siya, di ba? Opposite candle muna hanap mo. Opposite candle color. That's why candle color matters for me, to be honest. Tingnan mo, nag-sweep siya dito. So, anong ginawa mo? Example, mag-entry ka dyan. Entry ka dito agad sa opening. Sa opening ng candle dito. That's, we're using 5 minutes. Tapos, yung risk-reward ratio mo, 1:2. So, anong ginawa niya? Profit siya, di ba? So, you can even use it at any time frame. As long as may sweep. Ito, hindi to sweep eh. Kasi opposite candle. Kita mo? So, we're looking for an opposite candle na sweep. Dapat. Ano, sir? Yes, sweep. Pero dapat yung sinisweep niya, yung opposite candle color niya. Ano, sir? May question ka ba, sir? You can go ask questions, sir. Yes, gumagana siya actually sa gold. This is why like I shown you sa GC yung 15 minutes yung sobrang taas na buy. I remove it. When was that? I removed that, but like it was dito yata yung nag-buy eh. Wait. I'll bump it sa GC. I'll follow. Wait. Pinakita ko yun eh sa gold. I think when was that? Was that Monday? Oh, Monday. Yung Monday. Tignan mo yung Monday sa GC pump ko. Copy ko na lang image. Send ko dito. Tignan mo. Sa gold, yung Monday. 15 minutes gamit ko nyan. At the morning, I started, dito sir. Oh, dito ko yun nag-buy. Yung sa Monday, tignan mo. I'll show you It can work at any time. Tignan mo. Nag-profit ako sa sell. Nag-profit din ako sa buy. Gets mo? Like parang dun. Like dito. Oo. So parang, wait, I'll show you. tignan mo, sir. Nag-sweep 15 minutes. 15 minutes, sir. Gamit ko na. So, it can work at any time frame. This is what I like about it, di ba? Kasi, tignan mo, nag-sweep siya, di ba? Kita mo. Opposite candle. First, opposite candle before. Tapos kapag opposite candle, you're gonna wait for a sweep in another candle color which is opposing to it. So, yung ginawa niya dito, tignan mo. So, anong ginawa niya, sir? Diba? Oh. Boom. So, just put the SL siguro on the below of the low. Just depends on the time frame that you're using because you can use it at any time frame. So, tapos target mo lang 1:2. So, anong ginawa niya? TP ka, diba? Tingnan mo. Sweep. Nag-sweep siya. Boom. Sweep. Sweep. So, at any talaga, at any time frame you can use it. Even like this, oh. Tingnan mo. Sweep siya, di ba? Kita mo, sir? Wait. Nag-sweep siya, di ba? Dito. Sweep siya. Just put it at the high na lang. At high. Tapos 1:2 target mo. See? TP. Di ba? Tapos hintayin na lang another sweep. Opposite color. Ito, dito. Ito, may news yata to kasi 8 p.m. So, just avoid the news. Like, parang very impulsive move. Like, avoid na lang dun. Kasi, like, to avoid, kasi hindi naman natin makontrol yung market. So, it's not perfect, di ba? So, ito, pwede din. Pero, it's usually, if it's like this kasi, you can enter here. Then, you can just close. Just go to, you can use this for your bias. Then, go to 5 minutes for entry or 3 minutes siguro. And, it can work at any time talaga. Wait, I'll show you, sir. Kita mo, sir? Example, ito. Nag-sweep siya, di ba, sir? Opposite candle color. Green. Yung green, tapos nag-sweep siya. Ito yung sweep. Opposite candle din. Yung red, naging red siya. So, put your SL above. Tapos, you can just, depends on how you take the profit. It's really different for everyone kasi they prefer holding it. Some prefer just using 1:2. So, ano ang ginawa niya? Naging 1:2 agad. Diba? Tingnan mo. Just enter directly after the candle ends. Tapos, tingnan mo. Oh. Boom. 1:2. TP. Hindi ka naman ulit. Another sweep. Ito. Walang sweep dito. Walang sweep. Ito, meron. You can actually enter here. Enter ka dito. SL ka dito. Diba? So, example, hindi naman siya perfect. So, let's show the SL. SL ka dito. You're planning to take 1:2. This is why, okay, SL ka dito. So, 1 TP, 1 SL. So, we're gonna find another trade. Ito. Another sweep. Wait. You can actually put it at this or at the middle of the candle. So, anong ginawa nyo? 1:2. Pwede siya. Just depends up to you. Like, and how you trade. 1:2. So, pwede siya actually ganito. Or, just put your SL. If the candle is very big, sir, just put it on the middle of the candle or like slightly below. Diba? Kasi para hindi naman siya very stretch. Diba? So, example ganito. TP ka dito. Diba? So, kasi I usually will put it like in half if sobrang laki. Diba? Na candle. So, example ito. May sweep ulit. Diba? Kita mo? Opposite candle. Tapos red. So, we're gonna be entering here. Malaki din candle. So, let's just put it at the half or we can use Fibonacci. As you can see sa mga trades ko, sir, ginagamit ko dito. Ito. Tapos, lagay ko na lang sa 70% yung SL ko. Tapos, 1:2. So, anong ginawa niya? TP siya. Diba? Kasi I use Fibonacci for my SL na lang para medyo, so, tignan mo. 1, 2, 3. Tatlong TP na. Isang SL na. Diba? So, it actually works super well. Diba? So, at any time frame, you can use it. Diba? So, at any... Ito. You can even use this. Ito, tingnan mo, sweep siya, di ba? Opposite color. Just put it, you buy here at the opening because that's the opening of the candle. Put it at the low. Hindi siya nag-SL actually. That's very nice. Tapos, 1 is to 2 na lang. This is the 3 minutes ha. So, it can be used at any time frame as I told you. Let's just not care about time frame anymore because if, to be honest lang, if we remove the concept of time, then you will never know the time. Diba? You will only be shown the chart. So tapos, ito, tignan mo, TP, hanap ka naman ulit ng sweep. Walang sweep dito, walang sweep na opposite, wala din ito, dito, meron. If you trade this, tapos, ganito lang, hindi siya nag 1 is to 2, pero, you know, this is what I mean by like, you should always trade with in a very volatile market. Pero it's usually if you're planning to parang mabi ito. So this is why like, you know, much better din if the trade is running in 3 minutes, much better to also BE na lang, di ba? So ito, profit ka ba din yan actually? Kasi ilang pips to? From 315 to 320. Ha? Ano sir? Oh, majority, di ba? Tingnan mo, ito din. Tingnan mo, may sweep siya, di ba? Kita mo? May sweep siya. Sell short position at the opening of the candle. That's the opening. Tapos, we can use the Fibonacci for the SL if you don't know how to put SL. Ito. Or to make your life easier, tingnan mo, 1 is to 2 niya. Boom, TP, di ba? Hintay naman tayo ulit. Walang sweep dito. Walang sweep. Meron dito. Tingnan mo. May sweep. Kita mo? May sweep siya. Previous candle. Opposing color dapat. Short. Open up. Tapos, Fibonacci na lang natin para hindi does not make our life harder on where to put a sell. Tapos tingnan mo. 1 is to 2. Oh. Diba? Tignan mo. Or kahit 1 is to 3. Nakadepende lang sa'yo saan ka magtitipi, saan ka mag-close, diba? So, tignan mo. Sweep lahat to. Sweep. Sweep. Ito, walang sweep. Ito, walang sweep kasi green yan. So, you know, you can actually just use this to be a very systematic way of trading, diba? Kasi, if tignan mo, like, gold yun, diba? Tignan mo. See? You can use it for scalp. You can use it for swing. Kasi pwede siya weekly. If we go to the weekly, let's just not care about the time anymore. Let's just not care about the time frame, but let's care about how the price is reacting. Diba? So we could trade it. That's all. Kasi if we just really care about the time, then it's not really matter. It doesn't really matter anymore. Diba? Kasi example dito, sir. Weekly to It's just not mind about the time. It just depends on how you basically trade it. Like, trade it. So, example, ito, sweep. Diba, kita mo, sweep to? Sweep. May sweep siya dito. Because the candle is very close to the opening, so let's put our SL above the candle. It's just, kasi yung SL kasi it comes with experience. So I can't really control on how people put SL, 'di ba? Kasi that will come with experience, 'di ba? Do you agree? Kasi like I'm just teaching the strategy. I'm not teaching like on how you put SL kasi it's a very different way of on your personality, 'di ba, sir? Depends on your personality. Oo. Meron like very tight lang, di ba? Oo. So, tignan mo, sir. TP siya, di ba? Tignan mo. Ito din, sweep siya. Kita mo? Sweep siya dito. Sweep siya. Long ka dito sa next candle. Tapos, it's a very big candle. So, let's just use Fibonacci for the SL dito. So, tapos, let's just put SL 70. Tapos, let's try to hit, oh, so tignan mo, 1 is to 2, di ba? So, usually 70, kasi I use Fibonacci na lang if it's very big, you get what I mean? If sobrang laki ng candle. Like, it just depends actually, kasi when it comes to this kasi, it's comes with experience talaga when putting SL. So, I can't control about how people put SL. Parang ganun. Kasi, it's a very different way kasi a lot of people put it below the candle or people just put it inside the candle, di ba? So, eto, SL naman to, if you're actually gonna sell here, if you're planning to sell SL to, this is the opening. Where's the opening here? Kasi Monday kasi, if you're actually planning to trade, yung opening niya dito, so nag-SL siya, di ba? Kasi ito yung opening. Oh, boom. So it's normal to take SL, di ba? It's not perfect. Pero if you look at the TP naman, TP ka dun, mas malaki pa rin yung TP, di ba? Example dito. Kita mo, sir? Dito. Nag-sweep siya, di ba? No. Nag-sweep siya. We're gonna use Fibonacci kasi like it's big candle, 70. Let's use 70. 1 is to 2. So, anong ginawa niya? TP, di ba? So, you can actually just use it for bias. Just depends on the time frame that you're using. Example, nakita mo sa bullish, as a daily time frame, ganito siya. So, in the smaller time frame, you can easily get the bias na lang, di ba? The market is going this way kasi it can be used at any time. Di ba? Kahit German 40 or any time frame talaga, it can be used. So, what do you think about the strategy, sir? Like, personally for you, like, mm, for me, hmm, tignan mo, sir. Oh, dito. Bago lang to, ha? Sa gold lang to. 725. Ngayon, tingnan mo. 'Di ba? Sweep siya. Use the Fibonacci 70%. Hindi siya na-hit. Tingnan mo. 70%, 1 is to 2. TP siya, 'di ba? In just one candle setting. Oh, no. Bago lang to. 'Di ba? See? Oh, see? TP siya. Bago lang. If we're actually trading it currently. 'Di ba? Kasi I traded USD JPY kanina. If you wanna see. Yung sinan ko sa GC, remember? Tingnan mo. This is how I trade it. Tingnan mo, sir. Maganda siya, 'di ba? So, sweep siya. Nag-sweep siya dito. Konting sweep lang ng sweep. I put my SL at 70. Tapos, mas maganda din siya, sir, if you use it, like, example, gold, you can use it at any time kasi, like, volatile yung gold, diba? Pero kapag sa USD JPY naman, much better to use it at Asian markets, diba? Kasi it's an Asian talaga, diba? Like, it's a simple way type of trading that has been on since 1960s that we should use the specific asset for its time, 'di ba? Kasi it's if it's USD JPY, then it should open an Asian market, so you should trade it in Asia, 'di ba? So this is why I trade it on Asia. Tingnan mo, sir, anong nangyari. 1 is to 2. Kanina to, like I trade it live with Ate Michelle. So I'm trading it live. So we traded this together. I can actually show you in my history sa MetaTrader, sir. If you like, I'll send it to you later for proof. Dito. Oh, convenient siya, no? 'Di ba talaga? Kasi example dito. Do you see a sweep dito? May sweep siya, 'di ba? Opposite candle before. Ito, walang sweep eh. Walang sweep eh. Walang sweep na opposite. Walang sweep na opposite candle. Ito, kita mo? Dito, sir. Kita mo to, di ba? Oh. If you just put it at the low kasi small, like this is, it's not a very big candle naman, so you can just put it at the low. It's not like that. So, just put your SL at the low. Tapos, TP mo 1:2. So, anong ginawa niya? Oh. See? See? It works like, you know. Example dito, may sweep ulit. Kita mo. Tingnan mo. Sweep na opposite candle color before muna. Kita mo, sir? Malit lang naman yung candle. So, if malit yung candle, just put your SL above. This is what I do. Like, and personally, if you ask me how I put my SL, if malit yung candle, I put it above. So, eto, tingnan mo. Above. So, usually above. Konti. So, tapos 1:2. So, anong ginawa niya? Di ba? TP. TP ka agad. This is the opening. You enter at the opening instantly. Tapos, and just wait for it. So, it's very simple. Kasi kahit sa phone mo lang, hindi mo na kailangan mag-open ng trading view. You can actually just see it with your own eyes. Diba? Just wait for an opposite candle. Ito, example ito. Opposite candle ulit. Diba? Kita mo? Opposite candle. Walang sweep eh. Walang sweep for buy. Walang sweep for... Ito, meron actually. So, mag-ESL ka dito if you're planning to buy. Let's show the SL kasi it's not perfect naman, diba? So, let's show the imperfections because that's how you grow. Pero as long as you manage risk lang talaga, example, ito. This is the opening, diba, sir? Kita mo? That is the opening. So, tapos, nag-SL ka agad. So, that's very small, to be honest. If you're planning to like 1:2, ganito. Kasi, yun yung opening. Tapos, dito ka. Tapos, 1:2. So, parang 1 pip lang na SL kagad. So, that's fine. It's just 1 pip, diba? So, it's not perfect naman. It's not 1 pip actually. It's 0.6. So, tignan mo. 0.6. So, let's look for another one. Ito. SL ka dito. Ito dito naman. TP ka. See? Diba? Kasi if you buy here, kasi that's the opening, tapos malaki yung candle, so just put Fibonacci retracement dyan, 70 1:2. So anong ginawa niya? Diba? TP. Meron naman ulit another opportunity here after it. Tingnan mo, kasi maliit yung candle, so we're gonna put it above. Kasi maliit yung candle, so we're gonna put it above. So just put it above a bit kasi sobrang late to kasi just 5 minutes and forex pa. So tingnan mo, 1:2 target. And TP siya ulit, di ba? Kita mo? No. So, tingnan mo, 1, 2. 1, 2. Ito na naman, another sweep. Tignan mo, sir. Another sweep kasi opposite candle. Kita mo? Another sweep. Short. You can use Fibonacci here kasi it's medyo malaki. It's not really big. It's not that. Tingnan mo, 1:2. So, anong ginagawa niya? TP siya. Diba? Ito na naman, ulit. Ito, meron din. You can actually trade here. Oh, this is what I found it out actually. This is like from a Wall Street trader na sabi niya like it's very simple na lang kasi why people make it very complicated ngayon na it can actually be simple. So TP pa rin, sir, oh. Tignan mo, 1:2 lang. Tapos 70% pa rin yung SL. So TP ka dito. Meron na namang sell ulit. Tingnan mo, sweep siya. Sweep siya dito. So you have another selling opportunity. Tingnan mo. Nag-sell ka na naman dito. So it can be used at any time. This is what I like about it. Tingnan mo. 70. 1:2. Ito, magbi-BE ka dito. Mas better if it's 1:1 na, BE na. BE ka na kapag ganun, 1:1. So, naging BE ito. So, it's not perfect, di ba? So, tingnan mo. If you're planning to hit 1:2, SL ka dito. If you're, oo, B ka na, di ba? Kapag patak na 1:1 na. No. So, example, B ka dito. Unless if you're planning to hold it, SL ka. Di ba? Kasi it's not perfect. Pero if you look at the TP, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, tapos 5, na-SL ka ng 5. So, it's normal, di ba? Kasi I told you, it's not perfect. So, tingnan mo. Dito naman, may sweep siya. Kita mo dito, sir. May sweep siya. No. May sweep siya. So, you put it below kasi sobrang liit ng candle. So, you just put it below. So, 1:2. TP ka na naman ulit. Kita mo? TP ka na naman ulit. Example dito, walang sweep, walang sweep, walang sweep. Ito, may sweep. Tingnan mo. Diba? You can actually use Fibonacci here if you want. Pwede. Kasi malaki. Medyo malaki. So, tapos tingnan mo anong nakuha niya. 1:2. TP ka na naman ulit. You can use this at any time frame. Diba? Tingnan mo. 1, 2. Mukha siyang, it looks it looks parang cheat code siya. Diba? Kasi parang, if I see this personally, like years ago, parang I think like, bruh, like, is that easy? Like, for trading to work? Kasi, to be honest, it actually works. It really, really works well. Diba? Kasi, if, tingnan mo, TP ka ng sell dito, diba, sir? Sir, kita mo? TP ka, 1:2. Eto, may sweep ulit. Tingnan mo, kita. May sweep ulit. So, tapos, you just use this. Buy ka dito kasi yan yung opening. 70. Tapos, 1:2. Actually, nag 1:1 siya. Pero magiging BE ka. So, that's what I prefer if, 1:1 na BE ka na. Diba? Since, so you don't have, so mag-SL ka dito. So, it's not perfect. As I told you, it's not perfect. Pero nag-win ka naman. Dalawang SL, ilang TP na 1. Ilang TP na to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yung 7 na trade, SL, no wait, it's more than 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yung, the 8 trade that you did is SL ka. The 9 trade that you did, TP ka. Pero usually, actually, let's just call this BE because you're gonna BE that. Diba? Kasi 1:1 na. So, 8 trade BE, 9 trade, it's a win. 10 trade, it's a win. The 11th trade is a BE, so you're gonna wait for another opportunity. The another opportunity comes over here naman. Kita mo, sir? Dito. Opposite candle. Tingnan mo. Opposite candle, sweep siya. So, it's a valid sell dito. So, it's a valid sell. Let's just use Fibonacci because it's very big. Tapos, tingnan mo. 71:2 lang. TP ka na naman ulit. Tingnan mo. So, the 13th trade that you did is TP ka. Diba? So, you wait another opportunity na naman. Eto dito. There's no sweep here. Walang sweep din. Eto, meron. Eto, mag-ESL ka talaga. Diba? Kasi, as I told you, it's not perfect. So, 2 BE, 1 SL, 13 winning trades. Diba? So, that's what we call currently. So, if you're planning to put it above here, mag-ESL ka. Kasi this one didn't, okay, umabot siya ng 1:1, so that we can call it BE actually. So, hindi pa rin siya loss. Diba? Kasi as long as it goes 1:1, then DE. Diba? For me, hindi siya nag-loss pala. Hindi siya nag-loss. Kala ko loss. Tingnan mo. So, TP pa rin siya. Umabot siya actually ng 1:2. Tingnan mo. So, ito na naman, sweep. Tingnan mo, sir. May sweep, diba? No. Pwede ka na naman mag-buy dito. Put it at the low kasi it's very maliit lang naman candle nito kasi it's 15 minutes. So, tapos 1:2 ulit. tingnan mo. Boom, TP ka naman ulit, di ba? 50 pips. At 20 pala. Malit lang naman eh. Kasi forex to. So, tignan mo sir. Oh. So, BE, para kang, example. Ito na naman. There's no sweep dito. Walang sweep. Ito, SL ka dito. I admit, 2 SL in a row. Okay lang naman yun. It's just 2 SL in a row. Diba? It's normal. We can avoid that. Ito, SL ka. It's not perfect. Okay? Wala namang perfect talaga for me. I think. So, example, if you put it here, SL ka dito. SL. If you're trying to sell again, SL pa rin. Pero ito, maliit lang yung SL, 'di ba? Kasi it's a very small candle. Pero tingnan mo. May buying opportunity. Ito, hindi naman to sweep kasi linagpasan ng body. Hindi naman ito sweep kasi linagpasan kasi ng body saglit. We need like a wick na makikita yung wick. Tignan mo. Ito. TP ka na naman ulit. Tignan mo. Tapos you can use Fibonacci 70. What? Oo, 1:2. TP na naman. 'Di ba? Dalawang SL pa lang ngayon sa atin. Ito, meron na naman ulit sa taas. Kasi malaki yung candle, we can just use Fibonacci for us to determine the stop loss. 1:2 ulit. So, anong ginawa niya? TP ka na naman ulit. Diba? Tingnan mo. Wala pang sweep ngayon, ha? Ito, hindi to sweep kasi hindi siya nilagpasan. So, tingnan mo. The way it trades, you can actually just trade the whole day or just hold it. Diba? Kasi you can use this at 15 minutes. You can use this at 30 minutes. Diba? What do you think about it, sir? Like, personally, what do you think about it? Sarap siya i-backtest. So, for you, do you think it's worth it to try it? Like, for you personally, I think.
Doon ako naging profitable kahit hinahanap-hanap ko yung ibang mga strat. Pero sa candle ako profitable.
So, for you, it's like very nice.
Parang ganito din sir. Para sa akin sir. Parang itatry ko to. Bali,
Itatry.
na-try mo siya sir sa USD.
Na-try ko sa gold, Nasdaq, at USD JPY, XAU USD, at Euro USD, at German 40 na po. Yun na-try ko. And it works. It really, really works at all time frame. And I mean it.
So, again sir, Nasdaq, USD, JPY.
Nasdaq, USD JPY,
Nasdaq, USD, JPY.
Euro USD. Yes, German 40, Euro USD, and XAU USD.
Euro USD and gold.
Yes. So it works, di ba? Kasi as I shown you, it actually works, di ba? At any time, any asset, it works. Hindi naman siya perfect, pero the win rate is crazy high, di ba? Kasi nakita mo naman kanina, di ba?
Yeah.
Like, dalawang BE, dalawang SL, it's not perfect, pero the TP is more than 10, di ba? It just depends on how you use it and how you trade it, di ba? Like, nakadepende na sa trader yun. It's about the personal development kasi you develop around the strategy kasi. The strategy doesn't develop around you, but you develop around the strategy to improve yourself and the strategy that you're using. Diba? Kasi for me personally, the simpler it gets, the better it gets. Diba? Kasi why, like technically in trading kasi, hard doesn't mean like better, diba? The simpler is the better. We've already heard that from like 20 plus years trader. The simpler it gets, the better it gets. Diba? Kasi you can repeat it after and after. Diba? Kasi like, if you just make your life harder, then tapos what do you get from it? Nothing. Diba? Like personally, nothing. So why not like
Mm.
just go with a very simple way type of trading so you can keep repeating it and it will actually work.
Yeah.
So what do you think about it, sir? Like personally for you?
Para sa akin, this is very simple and maganda. Para sa
Mm,
kasi sa akin para sa akin sir, ang nating ko sa trading habang tinitake mo na complication ang trade, parang malala na malala yung talo mo eh.
natatalo
Pero
mo dun.
mm, pero kung nasa tama ka lang na race, then after that, walang hesitation yung pag-entry.
Mm-mm.
Yun ang maganda. Walang hesitation kasi alam mo naman ang i-release mo. Tanggap mo
Oo.
na, for example, I risk $50. Di ba?
Oo.
For this trade. So, it's enough.
Di ba? Pero for the strategy,
Oo.
sir, like for you, like if you can say something about it, like to people that isn't here and isn't.
I think para sa akin kasi iba-ibang concept naman ang bawat tayo sir, di ba?
Mm-mm.
Merong nagandahan ng ICT, merong nagandahan ng mga CRT, mga something
Mm-mm.
like that. Meron naman nagandahan talaga ng support resistance lang.
Mm-mm.
So siguro para sa akin kasi nagagandahan ako ng ng candle, yung way of candle na it works. Siguro mas okay ako dun. Para
Mm-mm.
sa akin sa parang okay to.
Mas
Kasi
okay siya, di ba?
imagine mo sir, imagine mo yung strat ko nananalo lang ng 40% or 30%. But still I'm profitable.
Mm-mm.
Minsan lang siya. Ibig sabihin ng masabi ko na minsan ko lang siya mahanap at manalo pero still profitable.
Mm-mm. Pero good siya sa, di ba, sir?
Kaya, oo. What about this? Na around 70%, di ba, sir?
Oo. So it works. Like for me personally, if you ask me, it works like very very well. Like if ako tanungin mo,
So, so this
it's
this
nice.
this strategy, sir, how many months you work already?
Ah, say it again, sir.
Hello, sir?
Hello, hello, hello. Can
Hello,
you
sir?
say it?
This
Marinig ko.
strategy,
Oo.
this strategy, how many months you work already with this strategy?
Like been using for at least 3 months, then it's been very very well. Like super well. I use it every day. So,
Ah,
kasi I trade every day kasi
oo.
I don't skip unless if nakatulog ako, pero you know, I really don't skip trading. So I trade every day,
Oo.
to be honest. Pero for you, sir, like
So
do
very
you
nice, sir.
do you recommend it to other traders? Like personally, if like they will watch this recording of us, like
Y-
do you recommend it
yeah.
to other
Uh,
traders?
mm, I think yes, yes. The simple the better.
Mm-mm.
Yun lang masasabi ko, sir. The simplest the better. Kasi
The sim-
kasi if you think the market is only buy and sell, dalawa lang talaga eh.
Mm-mm. Dalawa lang talaga, 'di ba? You don't need to make it complicated.
Di ba, sir? So,
Oo.
oo, dalawa lang talaga. So, why is it na complicate pa natin if 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 this strategy for example you backtest it and sa 20 trades win ka ng 12, I'm very happy na sa ganun,
Mm-mm. 'Di ba? Pero depende pa din sa trader, to be honest. It's not really about the strategy,
di ba,
pero
sir? Para
yes,
sa
you
akin
should.
sir,
Mm-mm. Pero
kahit
it's
ngayon
nice to.
tinitingnan ko yung gold kahit yung
Oo.
Kita mo sir? Ah, hindi pala.
Hindi ka naka-share screen, sir.
Ano ba 'to? Hindi pala sir, wrong move.
Pero goods ba? Goods ba? Like, pag tingin mo sa M5, what do you think about
Mm.
it? Nice siya, di ba? Like, personally. Pero,
Yes
thank you
sir,
for...
pero ang napakaganda is to practice it. Kailangan kong
Practice it muna.
ma-practice 'to. Yung backtest and backtest.
Mm-mm. Mas maganda talaga yung practice, di ba? Kasi, it
So, for
depends.
me, yes. Kasi kahit sabihin natin na naturo mo na sa akin na ganito ang sweep, na ganito ang kwan. Pag hindi natin sir na practice, siguro masasabi ko talaga na hindi magiging work siya.
Yes.
Kasi sometimes sir, makikita ko, for example, sometimes kasi mahilig ako sa candle na discover ko. Sometimes if you change some like to broker, magkaiba
Mm-mm.
yung week nila eh.
Oh,
Especially sa mga higher time frame.
I agree. Magkaiba talaga. Kahit yung sa 1 minute, like,
Sometimes, yeah, oo. Sometimes if you change some broker, na makikita mo magkaiba yung mga time frame nila eh.
yes.
I mean, green candle. But actually, nagkakaiba eh. Mag-change ka lang ng ibang ibang broker, makikita mo kung sa comparison, makikita mo magkaiba yung week niya. For example, in 5 minutes, minsan yung week ng isa, nag-sweep na. Yung sa kabilang broker, hindi pa pala. Hindi siya
Yes.
nakaproduce ng weeks. Parang ganun ba, sir?
Yes, I agree with that. That's why, like, it actually depends on how you trade it
Oo.
talaga. Kasi it's very
So,
different.
mm, so para sa akin, it's very nice to practice. For example, gagamit ka ng broker sa ano nga dito? Dito sa TradingView na
Mm-mm.
mag-inline sa magiging trade mo sa in actual. Parang ganun ba, sir?
I agree.
Na sw- in actual sweep na siya. It's correct,
Mm-mm.
sweep siya. But pagdating naman sa your trading broker, hindi pa pala. So doon sir magkakatalo ang minsan.
Oo. That's the
So
cons about it,
parang
di ba?
parang ang parang ang labas parang false. Parang naging false yung pag-entry mo.
Mm-mm.
Pero para sa akin, sir, ito, make it practice. Like, practice lang talaga.
Yes, I agree. Pero, thank you very much for your time, sir.
Kasi pag na-practice to, yung strat ko nga, oo. Yung strat ko nga, sir, yung sa support and resistance lang,
Mm-mm.
pinractice ko lang. Yun lang talaga.
Di ba?
So,
Practice lang naman kailangan
pag-close ng
talaga.
higher candle, then after that, and yan din yung tinatawag, sir, yung nag-sweep siya. Then after that, nag-sweep siya, after niya mag-sweep, nagbigay siya ng momentum candle na around, kino-consider ko sir, mga 20 and above pips na M1. For example,
Mm-mm.
M1, nagbigay siya sir ng mga 20 to 25 pips pagkatapos niya mag-sweep. I-entry ko na yun without hesitation.
Mm-mm.
Yun lang. Kaya minsan, goods naman sir, okay naman siya.
Nice pala, sir.
Pero
So,
ito sir, I will test it siguro. So, I will test it maybe around months. Then susubukan ko din, babalitaan.
sige, nice. Thank you very much, sir. Ingat, sir.
Or baka pwede na ako baka pwede na tayo sir mag full margin dito sa strats mo to.
Wag naman. Manage risk pa rin. Di ba? We should always manage risk.
Pero hindi naman. RM
Oh,
talaga, RM talaga, oo, RM talaga sir ang pinaka the best. Sa totoo lang.
yes, I agree. Pero,
Yun lang
thank you
yung,
very much, sir, for
yun
your...
lang yung sir ang, And also, I'm very, very thankful, sir. Kasi parang nag